Hi class, welcome to week 4. You guys are doing well. Week 3 was a little challenging for some. On assignment 3.1, you were supposed to research time management and then write a paper talking about what you learned from your research and how your life is affected by time management or not affected. Most of you did a really good job. There were some that haven't turned in your assignment or you were having trouble submitting your assignment. Well, this type of assignment is called a unit check assignment. And a unit check assignment checks for plagiarism. So it checks to see if most of your paper is your own ideas and not someone else's. That's why it's important for you to cite your sources and put quotation marks around things that you used from your reading. So when you have to submit an assignment in the unit checks area, unit checks can be kind of finicky. So it's best to convert your file to a PDF file and then submit your assignment in the unit checks. So for you, those of you that did not submit the assignment because you were having trouble submitting or wouldn't submit, try converting your file to a PDF file and then submit your assignment. Now, for this week, we're going to be talking about setting goals, and you're going to discover how to set goals for your personal, your educational, and professional success. You're going to make up your own budget plan, setting your financial goals, and different things like that. This is a good week because this is where you actually get to sit down and go, what do I want from my education? What do I want for my career? How much do I want to make? And then set your goals on how to get to that point that you want to be at, or that goal that you want to be at. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. If you have any missing assignments, please go ahead and get them done and submit them. If you have any zeros, this is your opportunity to get caught up because you only have one assignment this week. Next week is our final week, so you want to make sure you're on task and that you have everything done. Again, if you have any questions, please give me a call or text me or shoot me an email. All right, you guys have a great week. Thanks.